Once upon a time, there was a little bird who loved to sing all day long. One day, while singing in the forest, the bird noticed that all of the other animals were very sad. The little bird asked the animals why they were so sad, and they told him that the forest was slowly disappearing, and they were afraid they would lose their homes. Determined to help, the little bird decided to sing even louder and more beautifully than ever before. His song was so beautiful that it brought people from all over the world to see the forest and its amazing animals. The people were so moved by the little bird's song that they decided to protect the forest and all of its inhabitants. From that day on, the little bird continued to sing, and the forest thrived, full of life and happiness.